Alright, so if you want to learn how to auto accept cash on Cashapp, make sure you watch this video to the end. For those who don't know what Cashapp is, you basically can transfer or send money to other people that you know or like anyone. It's basically like PayPal, another currency website or app. Alright, so first thing you want to do is once you open up Cashapp, you want to create an account. Once you create an account, what you want to do is scroll all the way down till you see auto reload. Click that and click get started. Once you're here, what you have to do is, if you see balance base, turn that on. And it's gonna ask you to verify your identity, which is it's gonna ask you for your social security number and your birthday. Once you have completed all these steps, you'll be able to auto accept cash on Cash App. If this video helped, please like and subscribe.